How to hide your Instagram online status on Android. This tutorial shows you how to appear offline so no one can see when you're active. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. From there, tap on the three lines at the top right to go to Settings. In the next step, scroll down and tap on Messages and Story Replies. From there, let me show you. Tap on Show Activity Status. At this stage, toggle off Show Activity Status to hide your online status from everyone. Following this, once turned off, no one will be able to see when you were last active or if you're currently online on Instagram. Once done, keep in mind that turning off your activity status works both ways. You also won't be able to see other people's activity status while yours is hidden. From here, if you want to hide your status only from specific people without turning it off completely, the best option is to use the Restrict feature. Go to that person's profile, tap on the three dots, and tap on Restrict. At this stage, once restricted, they won't be able to see your activity status even if it's turned on. Here's an important note. Your activity status on Instagram is also linked to Messenger, so turning it off here will also hide your active status on Messenger at the same time. And that's it. If this guide helped you hide your Instagram online status, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.